Hi, thanks for tuning in to Ben Smoking. This is a Ben Boozing episode. Check, check, 1 2 1 2. We are testing out the new headset. Another sample from our buddy Mark in the Spirited Discord. We got the Knob Creek 7-year rye. This is 100 proof. The mash bill is 55% rye, 35% corn, and 10% malted barley. So they consider this a bourbon friendly rye with high corn. I'm going to try to be a little bit easier on the pour. It'll be nice to try this a few times. A little more than half. Go ahead and roll the glass. Oh, how are you guys doing? Did you have a good holiday? Have some nice smokes and drinks. The sober fam, did you guys have any fun sodas or juice? Any teas? I'll go ahead and roll the glass. We're gonna let it sit for a second from the agitation. Shouts out to Cigar Hound Dog starting his alcohol reviews. I see you, brother. Keep doing your thing. So I am not quite sure. I gotta make sure not to hit the mic with the glass. Okay, so I'm digging that rice spice. It definitely got a really strong finish. It definitely overtakes my palate pretty good. But that is really smooth. 7-year bottle is solid. That thing got a lot of cinnamon. No, not cinnamon. That thing got a lot of caramel, apple, pretty heavy rice spice, but not too overpowering. I like that. I think that's pretty good. I'm not getting such of the citrus vibes that I was expecting to get, but definitely apple. Try that again. Yeah, you can taste a little bit of the corn, but it's definitely swapped where the rye is forward. Got the kind of like a baked apple and then heavy rice spice. That's pretty nice. I like that a lot. We're not going to dilute that down. We are learning our lesson of trying not to mess with the 100 and lower. Maybe when we're getting into the teens and above, we'll play around with the water. But I like this one. Definitely excited for the episode 15. This is episode 14, by the way. We'll catch you next time. Be safe. Thanks for watching. This has been a BenBoozing episode.